Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley, Billion-Dollar Virgin here. Real quickly here, I'm launching a brand new software that I want to give all of you access to. But listen, before I do that, I want to give you the best advice that a millionaire gave me when I was at my lowest, okay? It's real quick. Because, believe it or not, I've been running internet companies for a while now. And I never forget this advice. I was sitting at a seminar, and I was about 30 years old. And at that moment, I was failing. I mean, not making money, going to seminars, reading books, watching all the motivational videos online, right? Trying to get my mind right. And one day I was at the front of the room, okay? I was in Las Vegas. At that time, I was promoting 7dayfitness.com. And unfortunately, that was a failure, right? I made $0 for that company. And I said, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I'm hustling, I'm investing money, I'm investing my time. And I had the opportunity to speak with him. He was on stage here. He was like 25 years old. He was doing like $150,000 per day. Crazy, right? And this was like 8 years ago. And I said, just like most people, like, what am I doing wrong? I don't get it. I'm hustling, I'm reading books, I'm trying, why am I not making money? And this is what he told me. It blew my mind. This is what he told me. He said, Wesley, I don't even know you, but based off your approach, you don't truly believe that can happen to you. I said, what do you mean? I do believe, right? I said, I believe it's going to happen. What do you mean? I'm reading books, I'm meditating, saying affirmations every day. He said, no. He said, let me tell you why. Because if you truly believed that you would or will become a multimillionaire, you wouldn't approach me in this place of desperation, okay? You said you need help. You said, what am I doing wrong? So that lets me know that you don't believe that it's possible. Then we had to define the word belief. He helped me with this. He said, do you believe at your house right now, even though you're in Vegas, do you believe your car is out there? I said, yeah. Do you believe that your apartment is still there, even though you're here, thousands of miles away? I said, yeah. Do you believe that your children are okay, even though you're thousands of miles away? I said, of course. So my question to you is, he said, why do you believe that? And I said, well, I just know. I don't know why, but I just know they're there. I know my apartment is there. I know my car is there. And he said, exactly. You just know. And that's where you need to be as it relates to this internet business. You have to know, even though you have no evidence at the moment that it will happen. You just have to know within you that through this journey, you will make your first million. And listen, it changed my entire life. And I share that with all of you entrepreneurs is that you have to have a knowingness. It's not enough just to believe. You have to just know. Just like you know that you have 5 fingers. If you have 4, I'm sorry. Right? You have to know that you have a leg, right? You have to know that just like you know your name. Like I say, hey, forget your name. You can't do that. Right? So you have to have this knowingness that you will become an independently wealthy man or woman, okay? And that stuck with me for years. In about 2 to 3 years, I made my first million here. So listen, I don't want you to believe, I want you to know. And understand this, you don't have to have any type of evidence or any support that it will happen. You don't need to have any examples, any case studies, testimonies that you will become a millionaire. You have to just know within yourself that during this journey that you will hit the finish line here. Now, how many of you believe that this is your year? Okay? Comment below. Say, I believe that this is your year. When I say this is your year to be independently wealthy. Not just millions of dollars. $20,000 a month is pretty good. $30,000 is pretty good as well, right? So listen, we have created a product by the name of Message Page. that I want to give all of you access to. And let me give you a demo here. This is the simplicity of it. Listen. And it's very inexpensive, and it's an opportunity right now for you to get it. Okay, check it out. If you have a phone, that's step one. If you have a desire to make money, that's step two. All you do, every message that you send, when you download the app to your phone, you log in. We have software that it takes about 5 minutes to configure, and we will pay you, not me, right? And the software itself will pay you every time you send a text on your phone. Now, I know many of you are skeptical. You're like, oh, no way, it's impossible. Great. For all my skeptical people, leave a fucking video. It's okay. It's not for you. Listen, it's 56 billion people that are millionaires on the planet out of 7 billion people. 1,700 people are multimillionaires today. The question is, are you willing to be one of them? And this software that I've created here with a team of people, spent about $100,000 in the past 3 months here, it pays you. The software, when you log in, I'm gonna leave a link under this video here. When you log in, all you do, take about 5 to 10 minutes to set it up. You need to listen to the video, listen to the instructions. It's very, very elementary. Third graders type stuff. Once it's set up, every time you message, every time you send a message on your phone, you get paid over and over and over again. So listen, there's two type of people that's watching this. First person, they'll never believe this. They say, BS. And I got it. And that's okay. It's more money for us. You have a person right now that has a 9-to-5 job, and he'll never or she'll never believe that there's an opportunity for them to change their life financially, okay? Some people will always be negative. That's just how it is. Those type of people, they'll never move forward. They'll always have a job, and they'll wind up 60, 70, 80 years old, thinking to themselves, what did I do wrong? But you got number two. Well, I'm gonna be honest, because I was number two at the age of 30 when I met that millionaire on stage. Well, number two, they've already clicked the link. They already got access to what is called message page, but pays you money every time you send a message. And it takes 10 minutes to set up. And the great thing about it, anybody can do it. Like I'm in Mexico right now. I'm actually using the software right now. I've already made $1,000 today, okay, from the phone here, right? Because listen, I think you will agree that multiple streams of income is how you get rich, not one. I have over 18 streams of income, okay? So listen, like I said before, this video just started with me just giving you some encouraging words to say, hey, listen, know that you will make $1 million. I don't know when, but you gotta have this knowingness that this software message page will work for you. You have to go in it with this optimistic type of view. Does that make sense? And you're more likely to make money with a positive mindset than a negative mindset. So all you gotta do, step one, click the link, okay? Step two, you're gonna see information that explains how we're helping normal average people. We have beta people or testers that basically they went through the process. Before I launch any software, I take about 100 to 200 people, regular average folks, and I take them through the same process every single month. And the average income is about $100 per day. We have somebody doing $500, which is $15,000 a month. So once you get access, click that link or copy and paste, put it in your bar here, go through the information, get access to it, and start today. Because imagine, just by taking action, just like I did about 9 years ago, taking action on something that changed my entire life. And I'm not saying that this is it, but what if it is? What if this software allows you to make $3,000 extra a month? What would you do with that money? What if this software would allow you to leave your job because you're not even making $20 an hour? Think. Take massive action. That's what all millionaires do, and that's what you have to do right here, right now. Hey, much love. I'll leave the link below. I'll see you soon. This is Wesley. $1 Billion Virgin.